Okay. So now see, we begin with the paper CHO 451 organometallic reagent in organic synthesis. Okay. So in this, there are total 8 chapter, we can say, or 8 topics. Out of this 8 topic, the 8th one is for self-learning. Self-learning means you have to do your own, and there will be question on this topics also. We are one most important point is आपको बताना ये है कि अभी बीएससी का जो सिलेबस रिड्यूस हो गया है, उसके बारे में यूनिवर्सिटी से आ गया है, पूरा 70% सिलेबस करना है, 30% रिड्यूस्ड है. सो मे बी दिस वीक और नेक्स्ट वीक एमएससी का भी आ जाएगा. सो वी विल वेट, बट कौन सा पार्ट होगा तो हम वो देखेंगे उस हिसाब से. सो द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्रॉम दिस पेपर इज ring formation reactions are there. There are 3 ring formation reactions in your syllabus. Ring formation reaction. Ring formation reaction. Fine. In this, the first reaction we are going to discuss, that is Poisson-Khand reaction. Poisson-Khand reaction. It is also called as PKR or Poisson-Khand cyclization. There were 2 scientists. One is the Peter Poisson and Ehsanullah Khan. These 2 scientists had developed this reaction. What is this reaction? It is the reaction of between the alkyne and alkene, giving out what? Cyclopentanone. This ring is formation takes place. Cyclopentanone, okay. The catalyst used is this one. This is the simple reaction, okay. One. Yes. So this is the alkene, and this is the catalyst. Okay. This catalyst supply carbon monoxide, and there is a formation of cyclopentanone. It's a very interesting reaction. Cyclopentanone. Example, we will see example. You see, suppose I am using here, see, alkyne. So this is the alkyne we are using. ये alkyne हम use कर रहे हैं, plus alkene. For example, consider like this. Alkene you consider like this. So I am writing only RR. So we can say R1, 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 R1. And you do the same thing. So cyclopentanone will form like this. So only for understanding, we are taking the general reaction. You see, R, R, R1, 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 R1. So you got it? So cyclopentanone का एक साइड में जो डबल बॉन्डेड है वो अल्काइन से आया है, दूसरा जो पार्ट है वो कहां से आया है? That is coming from alkene. इसी एग्जांपल लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल यू सी, if I am using CH3, yes, butene plus, here I am using butene. So there is a formation of मिथाइल 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 मिथाइल. अगर इसको इथाइल करते हो आप, this will be ethyl. So these two carbon, they are coming from alkene, and these two carbon, they are coming from alkyne. Okay, we can go for its mechanism, but before that, let us take one more example for our understanding. See here, suppose this is what the compound means. If both the functional groups, suppose ये ester है, when both functional groups are from same molecule, for example, you see here, alkyne and alkene, both are from the same. So see, try to understand what is going to form. What is the catalyst? Catalyst is this one, cobaltate, cobalt, tetracarbonyl, hexacarbonyl, octacarbonyl, just depend upon condition. Hexacarbonyl, and sometimes we can use octacarbonyl also. So for our understanding, we use this one. So what is going to form? You see here. Okay. So this carbon will form bond. This carbon and carbonyl, one carbonyl insertion takes place, and we can write, see like this bond I am writing, and like this. So this carbon, this carbon and this carbon, okay. This carbon is this carbon, which is what? The fused carbon. And this is their carbon. This is the fused carbon. And this is what? This carbon. And here I am writing carbonyl. And that's it. Fine. A double bond. A triple bond become double bond. And here groups will remain unchanged. Very interesting reaction. So whether it is terminal alkyne or non-terminal alkyne, they give the what? Same product. Means they involve in the cyclization reaction and produce this cyclopentanone. Right? Yes. If it is terminal alkyne. If we are taking here non-terminal, so no problem. We can take non-terminal, say methyl here. So there is no novelty, okay? No change at all. So it's the same group. I can write same group here. So what will happen here? You can change the catalyst also. So one catalyst is given. So I will write here. Because lateral development takes place. Many scientists worked in this area. They have developed some other compounds, other catalysts in fact. Okay, one. Yes, now see. So silver triplet, okay. Silver triplet, this is a catalyst, and carbon monoxide is provided at 1 atmosphere. This is a developed reaction of Poisson, and temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. And toluene is the solvent. So like this, we have to put the reaction. So same product will form, except here, there will be methyl. So I will write, you can see, here same group will be there. That's it. But this yield is higher, say 90% yield, and it is 80% yield. Because of this terminal proton that may interfere in the activity or reactivity of alkenes or alkynes, and hence the yield decreases. Okay. So remember the point. Fine. And most important point is about alkynes. Non-terminal alkyne will give good yield. Similarly, we can say terminal alkyne give. See, non-terminal alkyne will give good yield. Terminal will give less yield, but terminal alkene will give good yield. Terminal alkene will give good yield. Okay. Why? Because of steric, less steric crowding. जितना steric crowding कम रहा, उतना प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है, ज्यादा मिलता है. Go for mechanism for this reaction. हम इसका mechanism देखते हैं. See, what is the mechanism? So we'll try to understand, and then we'll take few examples. What is the mechanism of this reaction? Now see, ये जो CO2 first of all जब ये develop किया गया था by Poisson and Khand reaction. So they says that when you take this, so this there is a loss of 2 CO carbon monoxide, and it form like this. And it is a reactive. When it is reactive, तो इस पर क्या होता है? This is cobalt. You can add carbon monoxide, and here, and like this. Now, first of all, alkene react with this. So alkyne को react करते हैं हम. You see. So when you react alkyne with this, it is very interesting mechanism. We take alkyne terminal, no problem. So what happened? This cobalt will form first of all one ordination like this. Fine. And then complete bond formation takes place. How it is formed? So हम उसको, okay, I will write, no problem. See, now I can write. So CO bond CO here, CO, carbon monoxide, cobalt. Okay. Now see how it is formed. Now I will write. You see here, this is a terminal alkyne, and here I can write R like this. Okay. The pi bond involved in bonding like this. You are getting the point? Yes. Now you see another cobalt comes in contact with this, और ये बहुत fast होता है, because both the cobalt is highly reactive. This is very fast, and this will form like this. Carbonyl, and you see here, this is a carbon, and there is a R. This is in association with both the carbon, and I can say like this, and this can be like this. Okay. One is near the observer, and another is bond away from the observer, or another side, back side, front side. This is formed very fast. Now what happened? On this, alkene will add. So how we can add alkene? Say like this. R1 alkene will be like this. When you add alkene with this, so there is a loss of 1 CO because cobalt valency is maximum 6, cannot exceed beyond that. So 3, 4, 5, 6 bond. So if 1 minus CO takes place, so there is a formation of, or we can say there is a association of cobalt. It's 1, 2 CO will be there, another CO loss, and here alkene will be in association with this bond. Here 3 CO are there, and already one bond is there, this bond, and we can write like this, and here like this. Fine. Now see what will happen now. This one. Now this double bond of alkene will, or we can say this CO will adds up. When CO is going to add, so what will happen? This bond is 6, already 6 bond, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो ये ऐड हो रहा है मीन्स इसमें से एक बॉन्ड कम होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. तो कैसा होगा कम? देखो ये बॉन्ड इधर ओपन होगा, देख लीजिए आप, और ये बॉन्ड ये CO को ओपन होगा, क्योंकि ये जो एसोसिएशन है कोऑर्डिनेशन एसोसिएशन, एंड दिस ये बॉन्ड इधर अटैक करेगा, ये बॉन्ड इधर जाएगा और CO ऐड हो जाएगा. सो ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट इट, हाउ व्हाट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. नाउ हाउ मेनी CO आर देयर? देयर आर 3 CO. यहाँ 2 थे, यहाँ पर 2 ही थे क्योंकि एक लॉस हुआ था, अभी थर्ड ऐड हो गया. एंड सी अनदर कोबाल्ट इज लाइक दिस, उधर तो 3 CO रहेंगे, नो इशू. फाइन. अभी क्या हो रहा है देखिए, अभी ये जो है ये कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड इधर R है, ये तो इससे एसोसिएटेड है, नो प्रॉब्लम, बॉन्डेड है. अभी एक बॉन्ड ये टूट गया, सो ओनली वन बॉन्ड इज देयर लाइक दिस, दैट्स इट. एंड ये जो कार्बन है और ये जो अल्कीन है, ये अल्कीन जहां पे हमने R बनाया, सो दिस and this alkene, you see R1, this ये जो इससे बॉन्डेड है, this alkene, so I can show like this. so हमको बॉन्डिंग बनाना जरूरी है बराबर, ठीक है. now see this कार्बन और ये जो था अल्कीन का ये कार्बन, इन्होंने क्या फॉर्म किया है? they have developed a bond. उन्होंने बॉन्ड डेवलप किया है, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन देन? अभी और एक CO ऐड होगा. व्हेन वन मोर CO इज एडिंग, सो एक बॉन्ड टूटना चाहिए. वो कौन सा बॉन्ड टूटेगा? यू सी दिस बॉन्ड. ये कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड जो है ना, ये बॉन्ड टूट के इधर जाएगा. ये बहुत क्रूशियल मैकेनिज्म, वेरी क्रूशियल स्टेप. ये बॉन्ड ऐसा हो जाएगा. So we can write this in a proper way. How we can write? See, I can write. See, I will write here. ये कोबाल्ट को लिखिए आप, bonded to another cobalt. There are 2 CO without any problem. थर्ड CO इधर ही आएगा, इधर ही रिएक्शन होगा, कहीं नहीं होगा रिएक्शन, इधर ही होगा. ये थर्ड CO, इधर 3 CO है, हम उसको ड्रॉ नहीं कर रहे हैं. देखिए अभी ये ऐड हो गया ना ये कार्बोनिल पर, तो ये कार्बोनिल का ये था, एंड ये कार्बन जो था, दैट इज व्हाट वहां पे आ रहा है. फाइन. यस. एंड दिस कार्बन कनेक्टेड टू दिस कार्बन, और ये कार्बन कनेक्टेड टू लाइक दिस, और ये बॉन्ड इस तरह है. सो वेरी सिंपल. लास्ट स्टेप है. अभी क्या होगा देख लीजिए. नाउ व्हाट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस? नाउ दिस विल सी, अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ये जो बॉन्ड है, ये बॉन्ड इधर चला जाएगा और ये बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा. So we can have, see what I'm writing here. We can have like this. So 3 CO are there. 3 CO are here. And now see what is formed here. So complete detachment हो गया. So I can write here. So इस पर कुछ नहीं रहा. Nothing is there. Okay. Yes. So 3 CO are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now जो भी है इस पे है. तो how it is? You see. इस पे क्या है देखिए. ये R है. और ये कोबाल्ट का एसोसिएशन है विद बोथ द कार्बन सेंटर. और ये जो कार्बोनिल टूट कर आया इधर से, दैट इज देयर. दिस इज R1 एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन से. ये देखिए साइक्लोपेंटेनोन रिंग है. ये देखिए ये जब बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा मींस दिस अंडरगोइंग टू backward reaction that will form a double bond here. So I will write that here and हम देखेंगे कि how we can convert that. So see I write here carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, and here you see ये यहाँ पे जो है see you see here like this. Okay. और थोड़ा सा इसको हम ऐसा बनाते हैं ताकि हमको बॉन्ड बनाने में आसान. And here there is a 5-member ring carbonyl. Yes, and here let's. ये bond break होगा and that will give you double bond. What will be lost? Minus CO2, CO6, and there is a formation of cyclopentanol. That's so this is the mechanism. ये लगता है ऐसा कि थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग है, बट इफ यू वंस यू गॉट द लिंक अबाउट इट, एक बार आपको लिंक मिल जाता है, देन इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. सो वन मोर एग्जांपल we are going to take care now. Okay. See, apart from cobalt, some other catalysts have also developed by some scientists. Molybdenum hexacarbonyl is also developed. So now, for example, you see, one more example we take here now. See, ये कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड कार्बन अलीन. अगर अलीन है तो नो प्रॉब्लम. हमको जो रिएक्ट करना है वो रिएक्ट होने वाला है. एंड हियर Si3 trimethyl group. And what is catalyst developed? Molybdenum hexacarbonyl. So बहुत सारे डेवलप्ड हैं. And DMSO solvent and 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बहुत एडवांसमेंट हो गया है, तो मैकेनिज्म सेम रहेगा. ओके. ये रिएक्शन मॉडल. तो क्या होगा सी, हमको क्या करना है, एक कार्बोनिल यहां से लाना है और 4 कार्बन इधर से लेना है. कहां से होंगे 4 कार्बन? ये सैचुरेटेड कार्बन है 2 और 2 4. ये बॉन्ड यहाँ बनेगा, यहाँ कार्बोनिल आएगा एंड लाइक दिस. ठीक है. या फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड अगर रिएक्ट करते हैं, दिस ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इज सपोज रिएक्टिंग विद दिस 2 कार्बन, दिस अल्कीन एंड दिस अल्काइन, ये बॉन्ड ऐसा बनेगा एंड यू कैन सी हियर 5-member ring. So now let us go for this. So this 2 carbon, 1 2 and this 1 2, and there is a carbonyl. So now how you can see? So the final product will be, अगर आप इसको देखते हो, if you think on this, if you go through the mechanism, ये डबल बॉन्ड इधर चला जाएगा बाहर. This side double bond will be there, we know, and like this. So it's very simple. Okay. Many other catalysts have been developed. Cerium ammonium nitrate is also developed. One more example we are going to take care now. This is cyclobutadiene. And suppose we are giving here like this compound. See, so very interesting reaction. So there are two carbon, one carbon is a one. So cyclization will occur. तो होता क्या, देखिए शॉर्टकट ऑफ कैसा है, ये डबल बॉन्ड को बॉन्ड बना देने का और इधर कार्बोनिल डाल देने का. सो सी नाउ हाउ यू कैन, double bond will disappear, this bond will disappear. So in short we can write like this, very simple. That's it, finish. So this is what the product of Pauson-Khand reaction. This is the product of Pauson and Khand reaction. So hope you got understand this, how the how this product can be found. One more example we can take. See here, oxygen, and suppose here are, you take for example any compound, no problem, aryl group, and here triple bond carbon, and this side. So no novelty, no problem. So don't get confused. Many catalysts have been developed. Okay, बहुत सारे catalysts develop हुए हैं. So one catalyst I am going to write here, PDCl2. Okay, and carbon monoxide, lithium chloride, 60 डिग्री. अगर ये बंद होता है ना, सो आप 10 मिनट मीटिंग खत्म होगा, दोबारा ज्वाइन करना है. अगर लेट हुआ तो आप 5-10 मिनट वेट करना. ओके, क्योंकि अगर हैंग हुआ तो केस ना है. तो क्या होगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. देखो क्या करना है आपको ये दोनों को कनेक्ट करना है. यहाँ पर आपको कार्बोनिल ऐड करना है. दैट्स इट, फिनिश. कितना आसान है. तो यू सी यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड रहेगा और फाइन, वेरी इजी. So you got it, all of you? Let us go for other examples. You see, Pauson-Khand, we are discussing Pauson-Khand reaction. We'll go for other examples. Now see here, अगर ऐसा एग्जाम्पल, टॉसाइल प्रोटेक्टेड, अगर ऐसा एग्जाम्पल है आपके पास, यू सी, अगर ये एग्जाम्पल है तो नो नॉवेल्टी, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट इट. इफ यू ऐड कैटलिस्ट सेम, व्हाट, अगर लिथियम क्लोराइड का सॉल्यूशन दिया है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड दिया है, ओके, लिथियम क्लोराइड दिया है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड दिया है, ओके. सो what is the product? What product you are going to write? Yes, what product you are going to write? So same, आपको क्या करना है, ये दोनों को, you see, ये दोनों का बॉन्ड बनाना है, you see, और ये इसके बीच में आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यू ऐड कार्बोनिल, you see, that's it. Yes, double bond will be this side and no novelty, similarities are there, you see here. ठीक है, फाइन. अगर कोई भी ग्रुप आता है, एनी कंपाउंड, एनी रिएक्टेंट इज गिवन, यस, सी Yes. So now this is what the product for this. Okay. So many examples can be discussed, no problem. See, one more last example and you try for this. अगर ऐसा example आता है, so all of you, if example is like this, and it is protected alcohol, suppose O, TB, DPS. It's a protected group, protected group, okay? Protecting group. Okay, now see. Here, see, suppose we are having fine. Yes, it is like this. So what you write? How will you write? You just connect this, you bring this like this and add the carbonyl. And this way, Pauson-Kand can be discussed. Okay, fine. Last 3-4 examples and you for your practice. Okay. You go for this. Okay, fine. You see here. What you will write for this? What you will write for this? Here is the carbonyl, suppose. Here is the carbonyl. And you write the product. Okay. Some other examples like this. Or double bond can be this side. And I am writing here phenylacetylene. Phenylacetylene. So what you can say? Very simple. You can form like this, no problem. And that's it. Finish. Okay. So this is what about the Pauson-Kand reaction. This is what about the Pauson and Kand reaction. Next reaction is what?